Hi children, how are you all? I hope fine. Right children, so our topic is introduction to graph. Up to now we did bar graph, pie graph, histogram, line graph and linear graph. Now in this topic we are going to discuss about Cartesian plane and how to locate the points on a graph. Now let us see children once. Yeah, see children. Now we have to take one plane. Okay, the plane divided into four equal parts. Let us we have to consider as a two lines. One is a vertical line and another one is horizontal line. In this horizontal line we call it as an x-axis. We call it as x-axis, and this vertical line is we call it as y-axis. Now we have to divide it. We can use these two lines. We have to divide the plane into four equal parts. Now each part is called a quadrant. A quadrant. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. The intersection point of horizontal line and vertical line is called origin. Is called origin. Now let us see children. Here we have to look at the points in the particular graph that should be call it as an order pairs. Now the order pairs looking like x comma y on open bracket. Here the x comma y we call it as x coordinate or abscissa, abscissa, and y coordinate we call it as ordinate also. Y coordinate we call it as ordinate also. Now let us see children how we have to locate the point on a graph. Now before that, in the first quadrant what are the points are there, and second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, how we can locate the in the particular quadrant in a plane. Now let us see once. Right, see children, first of all, now in the first quadrant once you observe this horizontal and vertical line, like it's nothing but a x-axis and y-axis. Everybody knows that intersection point is origin, so that we can denote it as an O, and it's the points is 0 comma 0 only. Now let us see that here we have positive x-axis. Here we have positive x-axis, and the 0 to above that is positive y-axis. Now that's what in the quadrant all the values, locating the points of all the values are plus and plus. Always we have to locate the x-axis point is the first and y-axis point is second. Now here we have in the first quadrant plus and plus. In the second quadrant, once you observe this graph, in the second quadrant we have is a negative x-axis and positive y-axis. Negative x-axis is there, that's what the values are negative, and positive y-axis is that the values are positive. Now third quadrant, the values are negative and negative because here it is negative x-axis and negative y-axis. That's what third quadrant all the values negatives and negative. X-axis is also negative values and y-axis is also negative. And the fourth quadrant once you observe this, positive x-axis and negative y-axis. That's what x quadrant is a positive, y quadrant is negative. Now you can see how to locate the point. Once I will show that. Right children. See, for example, here I have. Suppose we have to locate 1 point 1 comma 3. Then where it is. Here once you see that x-axis is a positive and y-axis is a positive. Positive, positive, positive and positive. In which quadrant? That is first quadrant. That is first quadrant. Now let us see the where it is 1, here 1, and where it is a 3, in the y-axis it is 3. Now this intersection point is called 1 comma 3. Like that you have to locate the point. One more I will give you example. See children, minus 4 comma minus 2, minus 4 comma minus 2. Now once you see this, where is the minus 4? Here x-axis is the minus 4. Where is x-axis is a minus 4 and y-axis is a minus 2. Where is the minus 4? Here we have minus 4. And In the y quadrant, -2. Where is the -2? Right here we have -2. This intersection point is called -4 comma -2. Like that we need to apply, children. Like that we need to apply. So similarly I will give more examples here once you observe this. Now all the plus 1 comma 3 is the first quadrant, 2 comma 2 is the first quadrant, both are plus, x-axis is a plus and y-axis is a plus. All the values considered as an quadrant 1. And the next one is x-axis is a negative and y-axis is a positive. I will give one example. -2 comma 5. Where is a -2? Here. -2 is an x-axis here and +5 is on y-axis. -2 comma 5. Like that we need to locate the point on the graph paper. And one more I will say on the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. Let us take one fourth quadrant. 1 comma -3. Where is the 1? Here and the positive x-axis. Where is the -3 on the negative y-axis? Now that intersection point 1 comma -3 is an particular point on the fourth quadrant. Like that you need to locate the points. And some special cases are there, children. So that is nothing but point on y-axis, point on x-axis. So how we have to locate the point on x-axis as well as point on y-axis? For example, I will give one example to you. Right now, this is once you see this, okay, the same graph. Once you can observe. For example, I will give 2 comma 0, 2 comma 0. In once you observe that 2 comma 0, once you observe that 2 comma 0, I will write here, children. 2 comma 2 comma 0. Once you observe this particular point where it is, I will show 2 comma 0. Now once you observe this, in the first quadrant always x-axis, yes or no? Right. Now we have to look at the x-axis where it is point down. This is a point 2. Yes. Now where it is a 0 here. Now that particular point is 2 comma 0. Particular point is 2 comma 0. This is nothing but point on x-axis. Point on x-axis. Similarly, we can shows that 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3. Once you see, children. Now where is the 0? Here we have 0 and 3. Where it is the 3? In the in the y-axis. Y-axis I am saying here it is 3. Now this point is called 0 comma 3. In this point we call it as point on y-axis. Now the point on x-axis as well as point on y-axis, we can locate this in the special case of points, children. Now this is a today class, children. So you need to prepare. And one more I will show how to locate the point. Okay.